Good morning, guys. In front of me is VIVO Y36, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. At first, open the settings. Then from settings list, select accounts right here and click on plus icon to add account. Now select Google and here provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is email address. And select next. Now provide the password. Let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, you just have to tap on next. Here you can go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. Just click on read, and if you do agree, tap on I agree. Tap on accept. And that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.